Tired of watching big projects stall because the financing just doesn't fit? Every successful business, every ambitious development, eventually hits that point where a standard solution simply isn't enough. Whether you're scaling operations, investing in major real estate, or acquiring another company, you need a financial partner who understands the complexity of commercial growth. That's where Patriot Bank comes in. Today, we're giving you an overview of commercial loans through Patriot Bank, financing designed not just to fund your vision, but to help you execute it. Patriot Bank's commercial lending is focused on delivering flexible, tailored solutions for businesses, investors, and even municipalities in Connecticut, New York, and beyond. We're talking about more than just a check. We're talking about true, customized financial strategy. So, what are your core options? Patriot Bank categorizes their commercial financing into a few key areas, each built to address specific needs. First, you have commercial real estate loans. If your business needs a new headquarters, is looking to purchase an investment property, or needs funding for a new construction project, like an office building or a retail space, this is your solution. Patriot offers financing for land acquisition, building purchase, and facility expansion, with options for fixed or variable rates and competitive terms. They even offer short-term bridge, mini-perm, and permanent financing options for larger-scale developments. Next, there's commercial operating lines of credit. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. This flexible option is designed to support your daily operational needs. Think of it as a financial safety net for timely purchases, inventory costs, or unexpected expenses. You only pay interest on the funds you actually use, giving you the resources to cover expenses of all kinds, right when you need them. Beyond real estate and working capital, Patriot Bank also specializes in various commercial financing solutions. This includes capital for major growth initiatives, such as purchasing new equipment, expanding facilities, or even acquiring another business entirely. For smaller businesses, they are also a key lender for government-backed SBA loans, providing competitive rates and longer terms for a range of needs, from working capital to real estate financing, borrowing up to $5 million. The key difference with Patriot Bank is the local expertise and prompt decision-making. You work with seasoned commercial bankers who understand the regional markets and your specific business goals. This local focus means you get a customized loan package, competitive interest rates, and a streamlined process, avoiding the one-size-fits-all approach of larger national banks. If your organization is ready to move on its next big opportunity, whether it's breaking ground on a new project or securing the capital to stabilize and grow operations, Patriot Bank has the commercial lending structure to support you. They're committed to providing the financial flexibility and expert guidance needed to see your most ambitious plans succeed. To explore the right commercial financing package for your business, you can find contact information for Patriot Bank's business loan officers on their website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.